Chef Bonjardee burned out the grill. Got a little chicken legs on there. First time ever cooking on this grill. I hope it's gonna be okay. I added me another rack to it, you see. I don't know if the coal's going out. I don't know if there's enough airflow in there. But all I do know is that it's hot. So, where's my... Let me get my tongs. Alright. Got my tongs. Let's see. I kept this high. That way I can dig out from up under it. And the heat rises, so I figured the chicken would be a-okay on top. Well, it's getting hotter there. Hotter there, because that's where the airflow is. The vents are on this side, 2 vents. And I figured that. Yeah. It may or may not work. But it is heating up. No diggity, no doubt. Alright. I offsetted my fire. Throw some hickory in there. And they are getting to looking very Bonjardee Chef Fantastic. No diggity, no doubt. Alright. Sweet baby Ray's. Ooh. Ooh. Buffalo wing sauce. I'm just going to maneuver them. Looking mighty Bonjardee Chef Fantastic. No diggity, no doubt. Final flip. Y'all check it out. Come on. I can grill up some grub now on some homemade grills I'll be designing. Look at them feet. Just look at them legs. I'll be cooking. Y'all want some? Y'all come on down to Boneyard in Mississippi. And Heidi is very hungry too. Alright, in the video, there is no taste test required. Because your mouth is already watering.